Hey everyone, I wanted to talk to you about the Khan Academy assignments. So I'm going to go to the classwork tab, um, and then, we click on the assignment, and then you're using this link right here to join. Um, so you're going to press join. You're going to log in to your existing account, right? So you're signed into your Google account, you're logged into your existing account, you're going to continue with Google. And then usually a little box pops up saying if you want to add the class, you would press yes. I've already added it, so it's down here. It should look like this once you've added it. And then we're gonna go to okay, so I just gotta log in again. Logging in, continue with Google. And then oh, so then it should pop up Distance Learning 2020 Course Mastery. So everyone is going to just start with kindergarten. Okay. Some kids may only have one grade level here. I'll get a notification when you finish that grade level, and then I'll add another one to you. So you'll just click on like kindergarten, and then you're just going to start at the very beginning. So the point of this is like, we don't want to learn too many new things, right? Since we're not like at school together. So we're going to review. And then I saw this article yesterday where a teacher used Khan Academy like this. He gave his sixth graders um, the kindergarten course, first grade course, second grade course, and so on, and had his kids work through all the courses. So it's really good for filling in gaps and things that you need practice on. So you'll just get started, and then like if you need help, then you would watch the video. If not, you just go on and start with the programs. Um, they say one grade level, so like kindergarten should only take you an hour to 1 to 2 hours. Um, so this will be a majority of the math work that we're going to do for the distance learning. I hope that clarified. Please let me know if you have any other questions.